Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Boss from Home. So if you're new here, hello and welcome. We usually share work from home and remote jobs that are currently hiring right now. We also love to share some of the hottest ways that you can make money in the comfort of your own home. So if you are looking for a fun side hustle that can help you boost your income, I have another exciting idea to share with you guys today. So perhaps you have some goals that you want to save, invest, or simply have a little something extra to spend. Or maybe you are a creative looking for ways to monetize your creativity. This video is for you. So my favorite part about this business model is that it does not require any design skills, technical skills, or any skills at that. It's a fun way to make money and it's perfect for the everyday person. So if you want to supplement your household income, it's great. Also for those of you who are students, stay-at-home moms out there, 9-to-5ers, basically everyone. So you can set up your own schedule, working whenever you want, as much as you want, or as little as you want. And after a little work done consistently, you can eventually make passive income. Okay, so let's talk about it. As someone who has started multiple different businesses back in the day, I definitely understand that being an entrepreneur offers so many different benefits and opportunities for personal growth, financial independence, and creative freedom. And by starting your own online business, doing something that you actually love to do, you can still generate income when your household funds are down. Maybe you have not heard back from that job that you're looking to work at, or you just want to build certain skills to improve yourself professionally. This is a great opportunity for you. And instead of waiting for a seat at the table, operating a business gives you credibility and helps you to build your own seat. And not only that, but you also get to be your own boss, setting your own hours, and also turning your passions into profits. And the great thing is, with this digital age that we're in, starting a business has never been more accessible than ever before. So where do you begin if you have no experience or skills to start? That's where print on demand comes into play. So in simple terms, print on demand is a business model where you get to create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, cell phone cases. So essentially a third-party company handles all the back-end work like the printing, the inventory, the shipping, and even sometimes the customer service. So all you need to do is come up with the unique designs in order to put on these plain products. And these designs you can actually find online. I'll show you that very shortly. And then the second thing you have to do is basically publish it online to sell. So print on demand is a business model much like drop shipping. And according to market research, it is expected to reach $67.5 billion by 2032. That means it's rapidly growing, creating space for anyone who wants to jump in order to do so and to do it now. The best part is that you don't need to buy up a bunch of inventories or even store it in your garage. In the past, I had a few shops online where I did all the self-fulfillment myself. I purchased all the goods, and I can tell you that it involves high upfront costs. You are 100% responsible for managing your inventory, storing the inventory, handling all of the shipping logistics, and not to mention doing this while still messaging customers back and forth. So it can be risky and extremely time consuming. But on the other hand, with print on demand, you can eliminate all of those different hassles. You don't need to invest in inventory or even worry about shipping. Our sponsored print on demand company Printify basically has a built-in system where they do all of the packaging, the shipping, the customer service, so that all you need to do is focus on creating designs, whether you create them originally or you use AI tools or you use websites like Canva and Kittl to generate designs, while all you need to do is simply edit those designs, recreate them, use them as inspiration, and then post them on your online stores. Although this is a very easy way to make money online, success does not happen overnight. And so just like with anything, patience is key. There will be a moment where you are trying to get your footing in, you're testing out different methods, designs, and refining your strategies based on what works best for your audience. So that is just something that I want you to keep in mind as you get started building your own online shop. This means you don't have to spend any money on any advertising for your products. You don't have to advertise all over the internet and social media. To set up your account with Etsy, it's absolutely free. All you need to do is enter your email address, first name, and password. The account is free. However, of course, you are paying Etsy to use their platform. So each time that you gain a sale, a small portion of that sale goes towards Etsy and their platform. So this means there are absolutely no upfront costs to run your Etsy shop. So now that we know where to post our products, it is important to do your own research to find out what is working and therefore what you should be selling in order to make profit in your business. So according to a recent study I found online, the most successful products to sell online today include things like apparel, drinkware, accessories, and home decor. I don't know about you, but I personally love to spend all of my money on home decor items. Like take, for example, this cute shop that has prints for kids. So they have very simple and playful designs that practically anyone can create. The thing about children's art is that you really don't have to be an artist. The style is very forgiving, so little imperfections do not really matter. I mean, kids don't care much about super fancy and intricate designs, so you can get away with having like one simple image like this dog that you can find anywhere online, or a simple phrase with a nice pop of color. So when I took a deep dive into some of their shop's analytics, I found that this design is making them over $1,500 per month. That's a good start, right? Well, there is so much that you can do with this art print. You can create floral print, art with fruits, retro art, abstract art, landscape art. But I found a specific design that shoppers are going for today, and this shop is selling it. So this shop here sells art that you can put on a screensaver on your TV, and it can be printed out to put on your walls. So this beautiful design has generated over $8,967 in revenue. And that's not all, because if you want to see the top selling amounts for this niche, take, for example, this shop that sells similar prints. And I believe this is working because there's no shortage of people who want to beautify their home. And the artwork is accessed so easily through downloadable files. It's quick, and the prices are usually very low. Like this shop here sells their digital prints ranging from $1.25 to $10 being their most expensive art print. So by selling these downloadable prints, they have made $2.7 million totally. This shop is selling over 8,000 prints, which makes them over $50,000 per month. And these items are not super elaborate. They include simple sketches of trees, animals, and people. So now we have a good idea of what's working. Let's go ahead and jump into the fun stuff and create our own art print designs. And our goal here is to stick to the vintage trend because that seems to be working now. So now, like I mentioned earlier, you don't have to stress if you don't have any design skills. It might look like an artist can do this, but with this simple tool that I will share very soon, you can generate these designs to sell online for absolutely free. So this is where we will quickly hop on Kittl, which I have spoken about before, but Kittl is a website where you can go to for your professional done-for-you designs. You can simply copy and paste these designs on your blank products, whether you have a t-shirt business, business, tote bag business, coffee cup business. They have been trusted by top brands like Harley Davidson, Netflix, and Warner Brothers. So you can create graphics in only a matter of a few seconds. You can recolor them, edit them if you choose, and even create your own custom logos for your business. This site has so many different beautiful designs. You can literally get lost, but today I want to dive into their photo feature that generates a lot of unique images according to what you're looking for. So this is where we will get that classic vintage painted art feel for our own online shop. So now I'm going to share my screen with you as we come up with these designs and post them on our online shop to get started today. Let's go. So the first thing you will do is set up your own free online account through Kittl. As you can see, I have a 100% free account with Kittl. However, the paid subscription option does give you more access to other features like their AI tools and so much more. So let's go ahead and click Art Prints. And from there, you will see all of the cool and unique prints that you can use, customize if you wish to, and go ahead and sell on a t-shirt or any other product that you wish to sell online. These are so unique. Like this one here, I love this. I would absolutely put this on a t-shirt and make it look grungy. And this one here is very unique as well. So you can choose anything. Like I said, you can literally get lost on the site. They have so many different options you can choose from based on your personal style and your brand style as well. So what I'll do is click on New Project, and from that button you will be led to this screen here where you are given the choice to customize based on the size and the quality of picture. So I always love to go for the 300 dpi because that will provide you with the best quality. So for now, we'll start with the standard, which is the 1200 by 1200, and click Create. From there, you will be led to this screen where you can customize your artboard. So going to the image section right here, you'll go ahead and type in vintage landscape painting. And this is where you will find all of the different paintings they have that you can use in your business. These are so beautiful. Like, look at this one here. Oh, you can add. Okay, so what you can do is click on the ones that you love. Like I like this first one here. This one is pretty cool as well. You'll see down here it says photo added. So let's just go with what we have so far. Oh, wow. Okay, it was added to the page here. So, okay, so this is where we can see what everything looks like. Okay, so this one is cool. Yeah. This one is nice too, but we need a vintage look. This one is nice as well. I'm more so feeling this one. This one is nice here with the sheep. I like this one. Oh, that one too. And this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get all of those off and use this one. This is nice, guys. I would love to have this in my home. It just looks very peaceful, soothing, and people can actually use that on the walls of their home. So that's all you need to do. And I mean, if you want to customize it, you can. If you want to change up the texture, you can as well. If you want a more grungy look, that is so cool, isn't it? You can do that. Pattern, textures, just about anything you want to do. You can make it according to your personal style. I want to keep it plain. I think this image is nice enough. I really do love it. So that's a great option to add into our bundle when we're selling our art kit, and that would be for wall art. However, if you want to resize it for the TV screen, what I did was go back and resize the entire project, grab the picture once again, and spread it across a 3840 by 2160 pixel size. And this would fit any 16 by 9 TV screen, basically. So this is, ooh, look at that. Isn't that cute? I think that fits very well with this vintage theme where people love landscape, artwork, pieces. This is great. So we can go ahead and download it now. And there you go. It is our untitled project. And as soon as you are done with your designs, all you have to do is browse Printify's catalog of different canvases that you can use. They have different textures from matte to framed. They also have classic canvases and also photo tiles. So there are so many different ways that you can mix your prints and showcase them to your particular customer. So it all varies based on the look that you're going for. And we have already covered how you can sign up for Printify and plug in your store. So if you need a little extra help, please go ahead and check out the description box for our previous videos where I went more into detail about this. Okay guys, so there you have it. Starting your own print-on-demand business online is the best way that you can turn your creative ideas into a profitable venture with as little risk as possible. And be sure to check out the description box down below to get your special code in order to get your print-on-demand shop up and running today with little money down. And also feel free to leave in the comments any questions that you might have, and I will be down there to interact with you. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you found this video to be super helpful and inspiring as you are looking for ways to make money online, go ahead and like this video and also share and subscribe to this channel, as we have so many more videos just like this one coming, where we will be talking more about how you can create your own products and sell them online to create your own profitable business. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. We'll chat soon.